Hey, welcome to the first ever episode of Wakeboard Nick, where we're going to go into how to do a Mexi roll. Now this footage is all from the first day I ever attempted a Mexi roll. So, a Mexi roll is a heelside front roll, which means that when you're going under the cable, you're going to cut out on your heelside edge, hit that jump, and flip your body forward, which will be towards the cable. You'll be able to see here my first attempt, which, as you're about to see, had very little commitment and didn't quite work out. Neither did my second or third. I'm just gonna let you watch them. On that one, you can tell I tucked my head down a little bit more. And we're gonna go into some more of the details on what went wrong, what went right. It was at this point I realized I need to start looking straight down between the legs and keep that body position. All right, time for a break. So, the main things that I noticed was I was having trouble conceptualizing where to go. I had done front flips and I had worked on getting towards tame dogs, which in snowboarding, go ahead, go look it up. It's essentially like a front flip off the nose of the board. So I'm flipping sideways while the board is flipping straight. Where this, the board is flipping in a barrel rolling motion while my body is doing a normal front flip. For me, it was hard to conceptualize going in a sideways direction on the board while flipping my body as if I'm just running and doing a front flip onto something. The main takeaways that I got were that I needed, one, to keep my head tucked, my shoulders open, and look through my legs. Looking through my legs really kept my head down, but then I need to stay in that tucked position, and you'll actually see that I'm trying to grab kind of behind my thigh. I open that, I take that backhand off to make sure that I don't go into a twisting motion. So that's it, the first Mexi roll that I landed. Now there's one other thing that I really want to point out. Right now I'm taking a harder carve than normal. It allowed me to keep the tension, level out a little earlier, and then get into the right position to actually send it. So as you can see here, I come around. There is a little bit of a butt check, but for my first one and after all the falls I had that day, I'm quite all right with it. Kind of overcame the mental block of it. So let's go back to it. Hard carve. I start to level out, my hands off, I look through my legs, keep it tucked until there. Start to unwind and hold on to the cable and ride away.
Done! All right, time for a tantrum.
That's awesome!
Be sure to come back to the channel as I start to log in all of my progression. I'm gonna go through the best how-tos that I can, while still talking about just an average person just trying to learn how to wakeboard and going through it all. I started about 6 months before this was all filmed, so I have a lot of clips and a lot of different tricks that I can definitely go through. That's it for the first video. I hope you guys liked it. Any comments or feedback, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for playing wakeboards with me, and come back more for more.